so welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and product review of the Dyson V8 Motorhead Cordless Vacuum. This is something that I've been interested in for quite some time, and Home Depot had it on special buy just a few days ago, so I went ahead and took advantage of the sales price. So I'm excited to get it set up and see how it works out. So let's get started. This is the box that it was delivered in. I'm gonna have to assume that there is a product box on the inside. All right. So here it is, the Dyson V8 Motorhead. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so we've got warranty information, our operating manual, and then we've got the vacuum itself. Let's see. Okay. Get all of our parts laid out. So we've got the vacuum head itself. Looks like we'll take this part. Let's see. You can make it like so, snaps into place. It's very secure. And then we'll take the, what I'm assuming is the motor. Looks to be as well as where all the debris and dust will be collected as well. With lots of yellow tape on it, so we'll take a look at that as well. There we go. So it looks like if we pull on what looks to be a trash bin, we can pull out the debris collector. Oh, and there it goes on the opposite end. My only concern is that the collector, the reservoir, seems to be a little small, so we'll see how long that lasts in the house. A majority of my house is the wood look tile, but I do have rugs. The bedrooms are carpeted, so we'll see how it does on the different surfaces. Okay. Well, I think it is all set up and ready to be used. I'm going to take a look and make sure on the battery, see how much battery we have, and maybe we can get started. All right, so we'll go ahead and show the accessories that it comes with. We've got this brush with an extension as well. Let's see. There's the extender. And we can remove the motor and dust reservoir by hitting the red button that we use to snap it into place. And attach our tools. So I can see this being a great tool, and it's really light. I can see this being a great tool for reaching overhead. I've got some transom windows throughout the house, so this could be a great tool for getting dust out of those areas. And it's really light, so I'm not afraid to put it over my head, and I don't think I'll get too tired either. We also have an extension without a brush, with a narrow nozzle, which is probably one of my favorite accessories on my current vacuum, so I'll use this a lot as well. So two good accessories. You can also, what it looks like, attach the normal vacuum head to the directly to the motor to make it a shorter vacuum. I'm not too sure what purpose that might serve, but maybe we'll see if it works. So the vacuum actually does come with a wall-mounted docking station, which you can hang the vacuum from and charge it, which is very convenient to kind of keep it out of the way. But for the time being, to go ahead and get the vacuum charged, I'm just going to plug it in directly into a wall socket. So go ahead and get it unraveled here, get some of this packaging off. I did notice that it said that the vacuum comes 20% charged, but just in case, I want to go ahead and get it 100% charged, and then we can see how long it lasts. Okay. And here is the place to plug it in. And automatically some lights, some blue lights on the handle turn on. It has one light on steady and the second light flashing, and then a third place for a light. So I assume that once it's 100% charged, we will see 3 blue lights on a steady non-blink. So we'll see how long that takes. So the vacuum has been charging for just over an hour. Still not at full charge. We do have 2 solid lights with the third light blinking. We're going to go ahead and see how it performs. So I'll go ahead and connect it to the standard vacuum attachment, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now that I have vacuumed the majority of the tile, I have gotten my wool rugs as well as the carpet. I'm going to go ahead and discharge the debris basket. Let's see. My initial thoughts on the product is that I'm impressed with the amount of suction that it has. I really only stayed in the high suction for the extended battery life. There is another function for max suction, but actually on the lower section, it was still picking up debris from the grout. So I was overall pretty impressed with that setting. And since it would extend the battery life, I think I'll just stay in that setting unless there's some reason that I would need more power out of the vacuum. It is very light. I enjoyed the tools. I'll have to find a home for the tools to make sure that I don't lose them. But it was very nice to be able to have the freedom to move around the house without being bogged down by a cord. So overall, very happy with my purchase, and I will continue to use it and provide feedback as it's available. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you would like to see more content, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Add a charge to it. Trigger safety.